We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Hakka Township of Xingpi in central Pingdong in South Taiwan has one of 3 old Perculus gates built by the Hakka in Taiwan. The East Gate in Jinkgong Village is a listed monument dating back to around 1882. Built as part of a mud and stone fortress and moat protecting the village, the gate is inscribed with the words Baozong or Loyal, written by the Qing Emperor to honor the local Hakka heroes who defended the village and country. Also in Xingpi is the old residence of a former township leader. The Zhangdali residence is a fine example of a Hakka courtyard home. Formerly a bustling port town, Xingpi's role as an important commercial center ended in 1918 with the silting up of the river following construction of a neighboring dike. The hard-working Hakka population turned to farming to make their living, and even today, the area is still an important rural area. Hi everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey Alice, last time I want to thank you again for teaching me how to say mother, father, grandpa, grandma. I got it all down now. So let's teach people how to say older brother, older sister, younger brother, younger sister. 好不好？先从 older brother 开始好了。
阿哥，
阿哥听起来像阿姑啊，阿哥。
姑姑是阿姑，
阿姑又变舅舅啦，不是阿姑。
舅舅是阿 Q，
啊，舅舅是阿 Q。我的舅舅像颗球，阿 Q。
阿 Q。
哦，不是啊，好乱啊！回到正题，只要学哥哥就好了。哥哥再一次。
阿哥。
阿哥就是哥哥 ，That's older brother. How about older sister?
阿姐。
阿姐啊，再简单啊，就是大姐的意思。That's older sister. Okay. How about let me do this now. 弟弟 younger brother. 因为你们都是那就是阿弟。
乜嘅阿弟？
不是阿弟啊。
露台。
露台？露什么台啊？又不是打麻将，露一台吗？It's very strange. The Hakka people actually call their younger brother like, "Hey, you old brother." But that doesn't make sense. Okay, well, that's how it's said. That's how we learn it. 露台啊。
露台。
露台记得。好，那这个妹妹呢？
露妹。
露妹。OK， 也是一样，也是。反而小的叫老妹，露妹。There you have it, our complete family lesson right here on ICRT's Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph.
是母太家长来了。
安子谁？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.